Take an example for the calculation of empirical formula. Here, the question given from your NCERT book, a compound contains 4.07% of hydrogen, carbon percent, chlorine percent, and also molar mass is given, that 98.96 gram. You have to calculate the empirical formula and molecular formula. So let's start the topic. What you have to do, you have to just first of all, the process is very simple if you apply this table method. So here the percentage composition of hydrogen, carbon and chlorine is given. आपको क्या करना है? You have to convert this percent into gram. Like if you have anything 100 gram, okay, then if someone say that here hydrogen is 20%, means you have 20 gram of hydrogen there. So same as it is, if something is hydrogen is here 4.07%, means in 100 gram, if total compound mass of total compound is 100 gram, then hydrogen mass will be 4.07 gram, same as it is with carbon and chlorine. So let's start with the method. What you have to do, you have to just make a table like this. Here you have to place the element. Now the molecular weight of element, as you know, hydrogen having 1 molecular mass, carbon 12, chlorine 35.5. Now you have to calculate the number of moles. What is the number of moles formula? I have already told you that molecular number of moles is equals to weight in grams upon molecular weight of particular that element. So number of moles, weight, that is 4.07 gram. In this part there is also already given. Then molecular weight of hydrogen is 1, same as it is with carbon, 24.28 gram, and you have to divide it with 12, same as it is with chlorine, divided. You will get number of moles. This is 2.02. okay. Now you have to calculate the simplest ratio between these number of moles. So what you will do, you have to just find out the smallest number. Here you can notice 2.01 is the smallest number. So what you do, you just divide this number with 4.07, 2.02 and 2.01 itself. So here you can notice that obviously these values are not exact, but these are similar to 2, similar to 1 and similar to 1. We do not take here integers, we do not take here decimal values, because as we know, atom never combine in decimal form, they just are whole numbers. Next, what happened? Here you can notice hydrogen is 2 molecule, carbon is 1 molecule and chlorine is 1 molecule. So this is simplest ratio. What you have to do, as you all know, empirical formula is the simplest ratio exists between atoms of particular compound. So hydrogen 2, carbon 1 and chlorine 1. Again, now molecular formula is equals to if you want to calculate molecular formula, so molecular formula is equals to empirical formula into simplest ratio. How you can calculate it? Take an example of benzene. Like if you have molecular empirical formula of benzene is CH, so here this is 6, so the molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. Got it? So 6 is N, same as it is N. So the question is how you will calculate the value of N here. You can calculate the value of N here by using the formula molecular mass upon empirical mass. Molecular mass in starting of the question is already given, 98.96 gram. You have to calculate the empirical mass. Now you have already calculated the empirical formula. Just put the mass of all these elements here. Hydrogen having 2 mass, 2 since 2 atoms, so 2 into 1 mass. Carbon having 12 mass, chlorine having 35.5. So total mass, total empirical mass of the element is compound is 49.5 gram. Next, if you notice this, now we have N value, that is molar mass upon empirical mass. This value will be approximately 2. So this is a value of N. What you will do, you just place the value of N here out of the bracket and calculate multiply this with your simplest ratio of empirical formula. The value, the formula you get will be molecular formula.